After a couple of years of smaller Z Fold updates, we're hoping to see a bigger one with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Competition is only heating up with devices like the Oppo Find N already showing alternative ways of making a top-quality folding phone, though only in China. Samsung needs to up its game. If it doesn't, how will the company maintain its lead before its competitors like the rumored iPhone Flip and Google Pixel Fold arrive? Well, in this video, I tell you few key features that Samsung need to improve in its upcoming foldables. The first major requirement is the internal storage for the S Pen. We've had 2 years of using the S Pen with Samsung's Galaxy Z models, but Samsung's yet to figure out how to include the S Pen in the design of the phone, it would seem. Just like the convenience of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's built-in S Pen and included stylus would make the Galaxy Z Fold 5 far better rounded and provide some much-needed extra value for its price. Next, a less obvious display crease. Of course, this is something we'd like reduced or even eliminated with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The display crease is an unwelcome distraction when using the inner display, whether it's looking at it or feeling it as you drag things around the interface. Making the display flatter overall would likely attract a lot more potential users who would rather carry a separate tablet around than deal with the fold in the Z Fold, and would show that Samsung's keeping up with other foldable phone makers who have shown that subtler creases are possible already. Next, cameras to rival the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 Ultra and the latest S23 Ultra ought to remain the top Samsung camera phone, but the Galaxy Z Fold 5 needs to be a close second. Samsung's most expensive phone shouldn't have this problem. Giving its new foldable a more detailed main sensor or a stronger zoom magnification would help draw in flagship phone buyers who don't want to give up the typically excellent photography of premium smartphones, but are still tempted by a foldable. And at last, better battery life. An obvious quality of life upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 would be greater battery life. This would likely have to come from a more efficient chipset since Samsung's already short on room inside the phone, so if it's possible, we want it so we can make the most of both displays without needing to run to a charger every few hours. So, what are your expectations from Samsung's upcoming foldables? Let us know it down in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.